Will you come to Bangladesh after 1 year or 2 years?
Inshallah, I will come to Bangladesh after 2 years, and I will meet my best teacher for teach English.
Mashallah. I will be waiting for you, inshallah.
Inshallah.
When do you practice English every day?
I practice English at morning and at night.
At night. Great. Do you learn English without grammar?
Yes, I learn English without grammar because my teacher teaches me without grammar.
Great. Do you complete all the homework after every class?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Do you help your batchmates when they need any help?
Yes, I try to help everyone.
Do you cook yourself?
Yes, I cook myself.
Okay, when do you cook?
I cook at 12 p.m. every day.
Every day. What do you do?
I'm an office worker.
You are an office worker. Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Oman now.
You live in Oman now. Which part of Bangladesh are you from?
I'm from Kumilla.
You are from Kumilla. Okay.